Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to show you a brand new mod for Love Nikki that works on both Android and iOS devices. Make sure you stick around until the end because this mod has some really cool features you don't want to miss. And hey, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. So, what's inside this mod? First up, there's a mod menu that you can open by tapping the gear icon right in the game. Inside that menu, the main feature lets you get unlimited diamonds. Yes, unlimited. But that's not all. There are a bunch of other tweaks to make your Love Nikki experience even better. To use this mod, you just need to have the latest version of Love Nikki installed. I've also left a comment below with exact instructions on where you can get this mod safely and easily. Now watch closely as I show you how easy it is to add max diamonds directly from the mod menu. You just tap the gear, choose the diamonds option, and bam, your diamonds go straight to max. If this mod works well for you, please drop a comment and let me know. I love hearing from you guys. And again, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss updates like this. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, you can get this mod at ogappbox.com. See you next time.